Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. So I will put this one goal here. So when s approach to number 1, we put number 1 cone here, number 1 cone here. So the integration from number 1 to number 1, you got 0. 1 square minus 1, you got 0. So we have 0 over 0. So we can use about L hospital. That means we need to do first derivative on numerator and denominator. So we have the formula of this one. So if we do first derivative of this one, we need to do first derivative of b, and the value of b will change for t. Minus, we do first derivative of a, and the value of a we put in here. Now we can apply the formula. So for this one, we need to do first derivative of s, and the value of s will change for t. Minus, we do first derivative of number 1, and number 1 will change for t. This one, first derivative of s squared, we have 2s. Number 1, that is about the constant, so you got 0. So this one, that is about the constant, so you got 0 in here. So this one we have 0. This one we have number 1. S, we simplify. Now we just put number 1 cone here. So we have the square root of number 2 over 2.